In today's digital age, our minds are constantly under attack. Hackers are not only trying to steal our data, but we unknowingly give it away due to our lack of awareness. The good news is that we can protect ourselves from these attacks. Krafo Systems is offering a free 40-minute workshop called Hacking the Human Mind. This 4-part series compiles over 4 decades of research and experience protecting Department of Defense networks into awareness sessions that will save you time and money. Participants in the workshops will learn how we all have some risks of being socially engineered, gain perspective on how we are encouraged to give sensitive data away through user engagement on social platforms, discuss relevant threats and the importance of cybersecurity and its purpose. Krafo Systems. Let's connect and protect the mind first. Sign up now.